In direct mapping, we'll be seeing how cache memory is divided into the small number of blocks and how these blocks get associated with the memory to form a particular task. Now, first of all, let us understand what do you mean by direct mapping. Now, what was the reason that after associative mapping, which was working successfully, it was giving you a chance of creation of a temporary cache memory when it was full for retrieving of the data, and it was faster. But what was the reason that after associative mapping, direct mapping came into picture? The main drawback of associative mapping was it was costly as compared to RAM. For example, we are aware that 10 raised to k keywords in cache memory and 2 raised to n words in the main memory. For example, in our cases, what we have seen right now, where k is equal to 9 and n is equal to 15, where we have seen the memory address of a CPU as 15. If n bit memory address is divided into two fields, k bit for the index and n minus k bits for the tag fields. Now look at this diagram. Here the main memory is 32k into 12 and the cache memory is 512 into 12 is considered to be the cache memory. And we have two types. One is called as tag and another one is called as index. In case of, that's an assumption that in case of tag is 00, the index is 000. Now here the data is represented in this diagram in the form of an octal. And this tag is converted into 77 and then it is 777. Now this is how index, when it represents your data into the cache memory, it is into the octal form, that is 2 raised to 3, that is 8. So you should understand 3 bits, that is 000 and 777 at one time. So you are addressing relationship between the main and the cache memories at one time. Now this is a small example where you can consider the tagging of the memory address, memory data, index address, tag and data. So you have memory address where it is in the form of 5 times 0. It consists 5 times 0 and directly it is being linked with your memory data. When it comes to index address is directly linked with your tag as well as your data. So when someone says, what is the difference between the memory address and the index address? Memory address directly links with the memory data. Index address directly links with the tag as well as data. So when you see the memory address, different memory address are being assigned with the different memory data and different index addresses are being assigned to the different tag and different types of data at one time.